Hey, what's up?
Hello, how are you today?
Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'm John.
My name is Maya, and I'm with Zai's company.
Can I talk to Raja?
May I speak with Raja?
Who are you?
May I know whom I'm speaking with?
I need help.
Could you assist me with this?
Can you do this?
Would you be able to help with this?
Tell me more.
Could you provide more details?
What do you mean?
Could you clarify that for me?
I don't understand.
Could you explain that differently?
Send me that.
Could you please send that to me?
Give me a minute.
Could you hold on for a moment?
Hurry up.
Could we speed up the process?
I need this now.
Could you prioritize this?
Do this for me.
Would you be able to handle this?
Let me know if you need anything.
Please feel free to reach out if you need any assistance.
I can help.
I'd be happy to assist.
No problem.
It's my pleasure.
I got this.
I'll take care of it.
It's fine.
That works well for me.
Yeah, I agree.
I completely agree with that.
I don't think so.
I have a different perspective on this.
That's wrong.
I believe there might be an alternative view.
You're right.
That's a great point.
Let's do it.
I fully support this decision.
You made a mistake.
There seems to be an error. Let's review and correct it.
I can't do that.
I'm unable to do that.
This won't work.
We may need to explore other solutions.
I don't know.
I will find out and get back to you.
That's not my problem.
Let me see how I can assist with this.
Bye.
Have a great day.
See you later.
I look forward to our next conversation.
Thanks.
I really appreciate your time and effort.
No worries.
I understand. and I appreciate the update. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found today's tips helpful for improving your professional English skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more practical content to boost your career and communication. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.